Peter and George met long ago when Team EJP started providing Limestone Maine with waterworks products. What started as a business relationship turned into so much more.
I've known George since 1959.
As far as I know, we've always been friends. I feel like Peter's always been my friend. I've never forgotten him, and we had a good start, both of us.
George was kind of a wild guy. I had to kind of take care of him when he was younger, you know.
Originally, Peter's father called on us. He was one of the first salesmen that came into our office, and he was in the waterworks business, and he would tell me get some of the things that I needed to get me started, and shortly thereafter, Peter came along, and then we really started needing everything we needed. Water meters, shut-off valves, stuff like that. Any kind of waterworks supplies that I didn't have, and I was getting stocked up on, and he helped me to get stocked up for what I actually needed for the size of the town, and he had knowledge of that stuff, and that's how it all got going.
It was around this time that the framework started to be built for what would eventually be the V.A.S. program.
The V.A.S. program was established because things kept changing and things were going back and forth, so I just thought that it was a great time. And of course, it wasn't even V.A.S. at the time. It was a program where George was buying all his stuff from us, and we were taking care of him with set prices.
I knew that no matter what questions were asked of me, would get answered either by him or by me, back and forth, and we had a lot of trust, had a lot of faith in each other.
You never know when you're going to have to be taken care of, and that's one thing that we guarantee. The other thing is they've got use of all kinds of inventory, not only our inventory, but all the inventory of the other value-added service.
He always told me if I needed anything, he'd see that I could get it either from one of the other people that had waterworks in the valley, or anything I was overstocked on. If I felt like I was overstocked, I could swap it out for something else that I didn't have enough stock of, and it worked out real well. We had a real good relationship, and we had a lot of fun in the process.
Innovation, trust, and friendship. These two paved the way for the way we move water today.
I have to let you know that I think he's did a wonderful, wonderful job to expand this company like he has. If his father was alive today to see everything, wouldn't he be amazed?
Yeah, he'd be proud.
He sure would. He sure would be proud, and he'd have reason to be proud. It's a lot to say for anybody.
Team EJP. Let's move water.